Hello everyone, Life on Wheels. Today I'm going to introduce you a place which is very near my home. It's a paddy field which you can go riding or with your family. But today I'm going to explore the situation. It's monsoon here. So it's raining, it's heavy raining these past 3 days. Almost many of the places were flooded. So I want to check how it's gonna look like. The auto guys, how is the place going to look like with this all rain and all? Personally, I love riding in the rain because it's cold and the climate is really good. With the right gear you feel comfortable. It should be, I don't prefer it while I'm going to the office. I don't want to ride in the rain, but for pleasure, for fun, it's really cool. So today I'm going to show you that phase. Let's check out how it's going to look. Okay guys, so I'm in Tripayar, just past the Tripayar center. From here I think it's around 7 kilometers far. So let's check out. Hey guys, we are about to enter the territory. From here starts the fun. Why these buses are here parking? It was confusing me. Maybe it's flooded. If it's flooded, I maybe think twice to go through that. Safety first. Yeah guys. So about this place, me and my friends used to come here and having a lot of fun. Eat a lot. Yeah. A year back it was not that much popular. This place, we have a very maybe one place, one street food is available, and not much people used to visit here. Now it become popular because of the atmosphere. If you're having food, you can really enjoy watching the paddy fields. Yeah, we are entering a field before the place that I'm talking to you. You can see that it's full of water. It was not like this. During the sunny days or before monsoon, it was full of green. Just such a green beauty. Now it's beautiful, but beauty of water. I still like it. Raindrops are falling on my face. Oh, holy cow. Place is very calm and quiet. So what will you think while riding in the rain? What do you think? You need a raincoat, of course, and you need a helmet. I'm just asking. Just talking some nonsense. So I prefer a helmet with a visor, because if the rain is too much, it will protect your face. Otherwise, literally it will be paining. You're riding 40 kilometers, maybe 60 kilometers, and if it's rain heavy, it will hurt. Most of you guys enjoyed and experienced it, right? Okay, that flood starts from here. You can see it. Oh man. Oh. So I think I should ride slowly. I can see the road. It's very nice. You can ride through the water. You have to be careful, otherwise your your bike will be damaged. Oh man, so cool. People are thinking to ride it or not. Yeah, I cannot ride. Actually, I cannot ride that. I'm going back. Okay, because it's too much water. So if it's like that, it's actually heavy. I cannot because if you have to raise your engine too much. Let's have a look. Because my bike is low profile. Having a second thought. There are people who are crossing, so why shouldn't I? Because if my bike is low profile, still I can go on. That's what I believe. Yeah, we are doing it. It's like a river. It's like I'm passing a river. Oh man, finally I did it. Oh, woohoo! It's cool to achieve something. It's really cool. Now let's check out how the other parts of this place. You know, it was a matter of decision making, because I was really stuck. I'm a little bit of afraid, like what if I dig into the water, what if I fell down. Then I just observe, so people are doing it. It gave me more confidence, courage. Then I just covered it. Okay, there are different ways which I can go home. About the experience riding through water. It was first time I'm riding this much deep water. So I will say that I was afraid first. The beginning, I first attempt, I was afraid because I don't know how deep is the water level, and I saw few of the bikers. They are not ready to cross it because they think it's very deep. That's why I lost the confidence and I wait. I even think of going back. Then I saw few people are crossing without noticing anyone. They are simply crossing in their scooters, their bikes. Not a big deal. And I saw few of the bikers have damaged their vehicle because water will be flooded in your engine parts, which will literally damage your bike engine, and it will stop, right? And I'm about to go back, but then I think like, okay, I came this much I came, so this was the purpose which I came here, and I saw few of them are crossing, and even my bike was very low profile. You know that I'm riding Avenger 220. It's very low profile bike, so it's very easy to get stuck in the water. But the weight of the bike gave me confidence, and it have enough power that I'm pretty sure. Then I decided, and then I ride it. In the end of that, people were standing there no more. They told me that okay, this is this much, don't go anymore. And I was okay. I'm happy with what I did today. Because if you achieve something, it was very simple, right? It might be very small achievement, but I feel really happy. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys will enjoy this. So I'm signing off. See you on the next motorcycle riding video.